Are you ready to experience the future of truck manufacturing? Join us as we take you on an exclusive tour of Volvo's advanced truck production line. Get ready to see the latest technology and precision engineering in action as we unveil the inner workings of one of the most innovative truck manufacturers in the world. From the assembly of the engine to the final test drive, we'll take you behind the scenes and give you a glimpse of the incredible attention to detail and innovation that sets Volvo apart. Trust us, this is one tour you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax and join us as we take you inside Volvo Trucks' advanced production line. When life on the road demands nothing less than the best, the Volvo trucks provide the power to work efficiently and the comfort to make it all easier. It's ideal for the most demanding projects. The exterior design suggests Volvo trucks are a cut above the rest in terms of power and comfort. For instance, the Volvo FH16 can easily pull combination weights of up to 325 tons because of its 750 horsepower powertrain. Furthermore, the distinctive interior provides a pleasant working environment. This is an industry standard and a dependable tool. Driver interface. The new driver interface is as adaptable and versatile as the other vehicles. Volvo FH, Volvo FH16, Volvo FM and Volvo FMX instrument panels are entirely digital and dynamic. Furthermore, the side display integrates the truck's specific needs with the operations, just to make you safer and more productive. The new driver interface is intended to help you keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road while driving, and to have quick access to the correct information, whether driving, loading, finding the best route, or tracking your driver times and vehicle status. A fully digital instrument display allows you to customize the interface for every use of your truck. You'll feel at home if you're used to Volvo Trucks' well-organized analog interface. Dynamic steering. Volvo Dynamic Steering combines traditional hydraulic power steering with a steering gear-mounted electric motor. The system determines where the truck is going and the driver's intent by processing data from multiple sensors. The motor is controlled 2,000 times per second to correct unintentional steering movements and provide additional acceleration when required. Volvo Dynamic Steering keeps you stable and on course even at high speeds, and regardless of the load, it provides a steering force for you during slow and careful wheeling. It relieves the strain of reversing a fully loaded truck by automatically returning the wheel to neutral. You can reverse for more than 100 meters without drifting, of course. Volvo Dynamic Steel even compensates for the effects of strong side winds. Adaptive High Beam. The adaptive high beam detects other vehicles in front of your truck. When the system detects other vehicles in front of you, it automatically reduces the light directed at them. This means you can use your high beam in low light conditions, and the adaptive high beam will optimize your beam so you can see the best. And you can still be concerned about your fellow motorists. The system employs radar and a camera to detect and locate other vehicles. Each headlamp has 4 reflectors and 12 LEDs. The adaptive high beam can individually engage and disengage all the LED units in both headlamps to optimize the beam. You'll be able to see the light beam adapting as you drive, giving you confidence that your vision is optimized. Driver Support System. The Driver Support System detects vulnerable road users and other vehicles on the side of your truck using radar technology. The goal is to avoid accidents while turning and changing lanes. Even if legal requirements only require coverage on the passenger side, this system covers both sides of the truck. The driver receives a warning if any object is detected in the monitored area. If the truck has lane keeping assist, steering guidance will be provided. It reduces the possibility of collisions with vehicles ahead. When the distance between you and the vehicle ahead decreases and the system detects a specific risk of collision, the forward collision warning and emergency braking alerts you. If you do not take immediate action and the system determines that a collision is unavoidable, the vehicle brakes are applied to bring your truck to a stop. Tandem axle lift. If you drive heavily loaded in one direction and empty in the other, the tandem axle lift is ideal. When you unload the truck, you press a button on the dashboard to disengage and raise the drive axle. The drive axle lowers and engages automatically when you load the truck to ensure maximum traction and drivability. You save time because it only takes about 15 seconds from start to finish. Drive axles increase friction and rolling resistance, resulting in higher fuel consumption. When you disengage and raise the axle when you don't need it, you can save up to 4% on a return trip with the axle lifted. Heavy-duty bumper. The heavy-duty bumper is made of high-quality 3mm steel. It's also partially protected by a thick polypropylene coating which reduces scratching. It's built to protect your front end from scratches, dents and broken headlines on any terrain. The bumper is durable, however, if you hit it so hard that it requires servicing, it's a simple task. Because it is built in 3 parts with easily accessible screws, it is simple to replace damaged parts yourself, saving you a trip to the workshop and increasing your uptime. This is right now available in Volvo FH16 and Volvo FH. Exterior design. The truck has a design that includes an upright profile, more interior space, large window areas, and a low door line. The edges of the Volvo FM are smooth, and the gaps between the upper and the lower front are kept to a minimum to improve aerodynamics and efficiency. The headlamp design, which emphasizes the Volvo's iconic profile, is another clear indication of this truck's evolution. The headlamp's distinctive lines flow with the shape of the truck, wrapping around the front corner and stretching back on the cab sides. Even standing still, it's clear that this truck is efficient at both high speeds and in congested areas. I-Shift. Volvo Trucks' I-Shift automated gearboxes are designed to make driving easier, safer and more comfortable. Every gear shift is timed automatically, and the latest generation provides faster and smoother shifts than ever before. You can customize the I-Shift using a variety of software packages. There are I-Shift features that allow one pedal to drive in certain situations, and depending on the truck model, I-Shift versions unlock new possibilities such as the I-Shift with crawler gears and the I-Shift dual clutch. The I-Shift is built around a classic, unsynchronized manual gearbox, which accounts for its small size and high efficiency. The electronic control unit, which manages the clutch and shifts, is where the magic happens. It applies extreme precision to every shift by constantly evaluating information such as speed, weight, road grade, and torque demand. The system also communicates with the engine, allowing it to optimize the engine's speed and brakes. You don't have to sacrifice either fuel economy or stability with the I-Shift with crawler gears. Both are possible. Simply select a faster rear axle ratio, which allows you to maintain cruising speed at much lower revs on good roads. It's more comfortable and improves fuel efficiency. While driving in the current gear, the I-Shift dual clutch can pre-select the next gear. While one clutch is idle, the other is engaged. 2 gears can be selected due to the 2 input shafts and a brilliant arrangement of gear wheels simultaneously and selecting elements. The gear changes occur in a fraction of a second and do not disrupt power delivery. Crew cab. Depending on your requirements, you can order your crew cab with a wide range of seat configurations. A single fire truck, for example, can accommodate up to 9 firefighters. There are 2 in the front row, 3 in the middle row, and 4 in the back row. You can equip the cab with a separate parking heater and air conditioning for the crew if you want. That's all for today's video. Let us know your thoughts on Volvo Truck in the comments section below. Stay tuned until our next video. Goodbye.